please connect. I am Robin Mukherjee. Now I am in live. If anybody connect me, please connect. Daily, I discuss civil engineering, execution, project and plan related item. Today I discuss building a house from start to finish. Building a house. Today I discuss building a house from start to finish. Here is a complete step by step guide to building a house from start to finish. Explained in this simple and practical language. Perfect for learning, teaching, site planning, or creating presentation. Building a house from start to finish. Here is a complete step by step guide to building house from start to finish. Explained in simple and practical language. Perfect for learning, teaching, site planning, or creating presentation. Your new construction home building process. Your new construction home building process. Number one, foundation is poured to set a solid structural support. Number one, foundation is poured to set a solid structural support. Number two, farming takes shape from the floor panels to the walls and roof. Framing takes shape. Number two, framing takes shape from the floor panels to the walls and roof. Framing takes shape from the floor panels to the walls and roofs. Number three, rough mechanicals are installed such as havoc ducts, HVAC ducts. Rough mechanicals are installed such as havoc HVAC duct. Number four, insulation and drywall are added in after a walk-through. Insulation and drywall are added in after a walk-through. Number five, final details like trim and exterior finishes are added in. Final details like trim and exterior finishes are added in. Number six, all intensive pre-settlement walk-through is conducted in the home. All intensive pre-settlement walk-through is conducted in the home. Number five, final details like trim and exterior finishes are added in. Number six, all intensive pre-settlement work through is conducted in the home. All intensive pre-settlement work through is conducted in the home. Closing, number seven, closing paperwork and handling over your keys. Closing paperwork and handling over your keys. Building a house, step by step process, start to finish. Building a house, step by step process, start to finish. Below is the most widely followed sequence in civil construction for a residential building. Below is the most widely followed sequence in civil construction for a residential building. Number one, land selection and site survey. Land selection and site survey. Choose suitable land. Conduct site survey. Boundary marking. soil investigation to know bearing capacity, soil investigation to know bearing capacity. Check legal approval, check legal approval. Number 2, planning, design and approval. Planning, design and approval. Create architectural plan, floor plan, elevation, prepare structural drawing, footing, columns, beams, slabs. Get approval from local authorities, municipality, panchayat, etc. Planning, design and approval. Create architectural plan, floor plans, elevation, prepare structural drawing, footing, columns, beams, slab. Get approvals from local authority, municipality, panchayat, etc. Number 3, site clearing and layout marking. Site clearing and layout marking. Remove buses, debris, topsoil. Remove buses, debris, topsoil. Mark foundation lines using line total station. Marking foundation line using line oblique total station. Site clearing and layout marking. Site clearing and layout marking. Remove buses, debris, topsoil. Mark foundation lines using line or total station or theodolite use. Number 4, excavation. Dig for footing, trenches, basements, if any. Dig for excavation for footing, trenches, basements, if any. Maintain slope and safety measures. Number 5, foundation work. PCC, plain concrete, plain cement concrete. Footing reinforcement placing. Shuttering and concreting, curing of footing. PCC, plain cement concrete, footing reinforcement placing. Shuttering and concreting, curing of footing. RCC work. Number 6, column works up to plinth level. Column reinforcement and shuttering. Concreting of columns, construction of plinth beam, backfilling and compaction. Concreting of columns, construction of plinth beam, backfilling and compaction. Number 7, ground floor slab if applicable. Soil filling and compaction. Damp-proof DPC, damp-proof course. DPC. Concreting of ground slab. Number 8, superstructure, walls, columns, beam. Brick, block masonry. RCC columns, beam. This stage gives the building its shape and strength. Number 9, shuttering, reinforcement and slab casting. Slab formwork, steel reinforcement placing, electrical conduit and plumbing slips. Slab concreting, proper curing. Repeat this process for each floor. Shuttering, reinforcement and slab casting. Slab formwork, slab shuttering, steel reinforcement placing, electrical conduits and plumbing slips, slab concreting, slab casting, proper curing. Repeat this process for each floor. Number 10, masonry and internal partition work. Brick, block walls, door and window frame fixing. Brick, block wall, door and window frame fixing. Number 11, roofing work if top floor. Roofing work if top floor. Slab waterproofing, weathering course types. Slab waterproofing, weathering course types. Number 12, plastering, internal, external. Plastering, internal, external. Internal plaster, internal plaster. External plaster. Putty application if required. Number 13, electrical plumbing and havoc work, HVAC work. Electrical plumbing and havoc, HVAC work. These are concealed service. Wiring conduits, water supply and drainage pipeline, AC ducting if any. Number 14, flooring works. Tiles, vitrified ceramic, marble granite, skirting. Number 15, door and window installation. Wooden UPVC windows. UPVC windows. Door frames, handles, locks. Number 16, painting. Primer, putty, paint. Texture coating for exterior. Number 17, fixtures and fittings. Switchboard, sanitary fixtures, kitchen platform, wardrobes if planned. Fixtures and fittings. Switchboard, sanitary fixtures, kitchen platform, wardrobes if planned. Number 18, external development, boundary wall, paving, driveway, landscaping, water tank, septic tank, sump. External development, boundary wall, paving, driveway, landscaping, water tank, septic tank, sump. Number 19, final inspection and handover. Check all services. Quality inspection. Snag list rectification. Checklist rectification. Checklist rectification. Handover to owner. Final inspection and handover. Check all services. Quality inspection. Snag list rectification. Checklist rectification. Handover to owner. Number 20, house ready for occupancy. Move in ready after electricity, meter, water connection and finishing touch-ups. House ready for occupancy. Move in ready after electricity, meter, water connection and finishing touch-ups. Move in ready after electricity, meter, water connection and finishing touch-up. Summary in one line. Building a house. Plan. Approval. Foundation. Structure. Brickwork. Plaster. Services. Flooring. Painting. finishing, handover. If you want, I can also provide building construction flowchart. If you want, I can also provide building construction flowchart, PPT slides, start to finish, checklist for each stage, cost estimate format. Tell me what you want next. Now I end my video. Next day I discuss another execution item, project and plan related. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করব, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না। আমার পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। এবং বেশি সংখ্যা শেয়ার করবেন, যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স এই চ্যানেলটি থেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে। সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করব, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন। দেখলে প্রজেক্ট অ্যান্ড প্ল্যান্টেড সমস্ত কিছু আইটেম এক্সিকিউশন আমি এক এক করে শেয়ার করছি। উদ্দেশ্য একটাই, যাতে নিউ জেনারেশন এই ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।